Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4, and we're back with another POV video. Today we're gonna be terrorizing the streets of Los Angeles. We're gonna be hitting a few car meets tonight. First, we're gonna stop by a BMW M meet, and then we're gonna be hitting a supercar meet later on. So with less being said, let's hop inside the M4, get on the road. So we're on the road, we're heading towards Burbank, California right now. About an 8-minute drive from where I'm at. It's been a pretty long week for me, so it's nice to be out here on a Friday night. Woo. Listen to that DCT. So I've been in Southern California for about 6 months now, and I gotta say, these views do not get old. Just like that, we're out here in downtown Burbank. It's funny because last time I was over here, Jay Leno was performing at this comedy club. Oh, already, right where we got into Burbank, AMG GT, GTR, GTS? Matte Black. Oh, Laguna Seca Blue M4 just went by. Hella BMWs. It seems like be like a burger joint here. A lot of different colors too. Got a wide body Porsche RWB. Damn, it's pretty stacked here. Got the M4 parked up next to this Miata. Got a nice F80 M3 looking pretty beefy right here in Yas Marina. Oh, check out this M6. Look at the wheels on this. I'm about to tell my dad and my brother about this. It's a nice setup. This one's a Grand Coupe too. I believe it's San Marino blue. Oh, it's the white interior. So if you guys aren't familiar, we have an M6 Grand Coupe manual in black. But we were about to get a San Marino blue with white interior one, but it sold right underneath us. So it's kind of cool to see one of these in person. It's a nice E30 M3. I believe it's Hellrot red. It's beautiful. Really want to own one of these at one point, but it's nice to see another E39 M5. It's like this one's Le Mans blue on peanut butter interior. This Porsche right here is beautiful. I've seen it once before at another meet, but that is nice. And check out this Murcielago Roadster. I believe it's balloon white. It's like a pearl white paint. Gorgeous. There goes this San Marino M6. That is a clean build. Oh, this is nice too. This is the M Coupe. Spent a lot of time in that yellow M Roadster my aunt has. It's nice seeing one of these in black. So I enjoyed my time here at the meet. Now it's time to check out the next meet, see what kind of exotic and supercars we come across. Let's hop inside the car and get on the road. The sunset vibes out here in SoCal is just addicting, so beautiful. Just like that, we are off the highway. So we're about to pull up to the meet, and there's a brand new G80 in like an olive army green color. It's the X6. All right, so we're at car meet number 2. So let's park up and see what kind of cars are here. Check out this turnout. I think it's safe to say this place is straight packed. Got the M4 parked up. Much bigger meet than the last one. Nice M4 slammed in black. Oh, this is nice. It's like a signal green. E46. Damn, this M5 competition is beautiful. Look at the wheels on this. White interior. Oh, that is sick. Let me know which one you guys are taking, the M4 or the F90 M5 comp. Sick Super right here. Don't always see them in white, which is pretty cool. Right hand drive and everything. I mean, I gotta be honest, this meet is so big, I don't even know where to go next. There's so many cars, a lot of BMWs, a few supercars here and there. Let's see what else we can find. Went from a Murcielago to an Aventador real quick. I gotta say, one of these meets, once one person starts revving, everybody gets it going. Just like that, the cops showed up. Looks like they're shutting it down. People are leaving by the millisecond. So I think it's time for us to go ahead and do the same. Oh my God. Oh, we gotta catch up to them. Oh my God. Let's get some pops and bangs going. Woo! Oh my God. Don't get me wrong, I miss manual, but the gearbox on this car is so sharp. As soon as you click the paddle, this thing's upshift, downshift, whatever you want it to do, it's so responsive. If you're not gonna have a manual transmission, I think this is the next best thing. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.